This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
If you are bored, it's time to throw a big fun party.
Wow!
First of all, call your best friend. No party can do without her. And don't forget about the neighbor.
Yeah!
The more friends, the merrier. But wait a second. What about Sammy?
Hello, Sam. I invite you to my party tonight.
Oh, thanks for that. I am already on my way. See ya.
Now, let's cook. But sometimes, it can be very challenging. Let's hope that Maeve has learned how to do that. We all remember the last time. Everyone said no to her masterpieces then. Even the cockroaches ran away at once.
Help! Help! It's poisonous!
That was an absolute epic fail. This time, Maeve won't make that kind of mistake. Wait, what? It seems like... Yuck! What is it? Ah, she almost got that one right.
Put the utensils down! Keep your hands off the stove! This is terrible! Get rid of this thing at once!
Let's give it another try. I guess the steak is done. Charcoal style. We better throw it away real quick, because it looks kind of creepy. Maybe Maeve's best friend Sammy could help a bit here. Here's an idea for a creative and unusual lemonade. Looks refreshing. Great! The only thing we need is a watermelon. If there is none at home, Maeve can easily grow it. But be careful, don't repeat this trick on your own, friends. We also need to work on the shape a bit. Now let's wash our watermelon really good. Maeve decided to use everything she found at home. All done. Maeve did an excellent job. The watermelon is finally fresh and clean.
Hey, what are you gonna do? Tell me, you human! Ah!
Yum! Did she eat it already? A fast snack and we are ready to proceed. We'll use a drill now. Ask an adult to make a small opening on the watermelon side. All done. We need to check with Sammy about what to do next.
Hey, Maeve. You need to put a tap inside the opening you've made.
Sammy, is it from your bathroom?
Of course not. I could never do such a thing.
Let's say we believed it. Now insert the tap properly, like this. And this is how we get some fresh watermelon juice. Okay, now let's taste our super cool party lemonade.
Hello, friends. I am here to help with everything.
Oh, Sam arrived too early.
Shiver me cheddars. What a mess. Okay, you go freshen up, and I will take care of the rest. And also, start preparing the party cakes while I'm cleaning around.
Sammy, are you sure Maeve can do it? Something went wrong. Yeah, we could see that coming. In order not to spill the batter around, use this new hack. Now the batter is totally safe. Our trick with the Wonder Plate for the mixer got an A+. And the delicious cupcakes are ready. Looks perfect.
I am done cleaning. This is exhausting.
We need to say thanks to Sammy. You know, he likes ice cream. Let's try to make it using the easiest recipe ever. First, we will crush the cookies right in the package. But be careful. Don't destroy everything around you. Now comes the milk. Pour it straight into the baggies. Hey, wait! Don't drink everything. Leave something for Sam. We'll add popsicle sticks. And get some really cold air.
Hey, who left the fridge open? I am freezing.
The ice cream is ready in no time. What a speed. Let's try it. It looks like the taste is awesome.
Holy Oreo, what a life.
For the next dish, Maeve is gonna need some special equipment. Careful, careful. Yes, you got it. Like that. You look cool. Yeah, cutting an onion is not the most pleasant task. Did it work? Nope. Even funny Sam videos are not helping from tears. Is there any other way?
Yo, Whoa, Maeve! Catch! Keep the bread in your mouth and you won't cry. It's the best hack from Tibidabo.
We should trust Sammy on that. Let's see. It works! The onion doesn't disturb Maeve anymore.
This is my best trick.
Sammy, you also need tear-killing bread.
Yes, this is much better. Thanks a lot.
Sam knows the best hacks in the world, and we're moving on. Oh, Maeve's friends will be here any minute. She needs to prepare the dip. It will take just 5 minutes or so. Put all the ingredients into a zip bag. And next thing, well, you know.
Por favor, señorita, this is totally wrong. Let me show you how it's done. This is what I call holy guacamole.
The dip is ready. Now let's make a cut at the corner of the bag. And squeeze out the guacamole carefully. The snacks are served, but first, we should try everything, right? It looks like the dip came out great. Sammy, you are the best chef in the world.
Oh, the guests are here, but we still don't have enough food.
Let's take a tortilla for the quesadilla and divide it into 4 parts. 1 part is for lettuce, another for tomatoes and onion. The third one is for some ketchup. And the last one is for cheese. Now let's fold it like this to get an edible envelope. You can also share it with a friend. Delicious lunch and no sauce stains on your face. What an awesome kitchen hack. Oops. And why does it always keep happening? Don't be sad, girl. Just make yourself another plate. The soap dispenser has such a convenient nozzle. Now, she knows how to solve the ketchup problem, once and for all. Take off the dispenser head and replace it with a funnel. Take the ketchup and pour it into the dispenser. That's easy. We don't need the funnel anymore. Let's put the top part back in its place. Done! Hey, girlfriend, your food is ready. Enjoy! And here's your favorite ketchup. Oh, wow! This is so cool! It really works! There is no need to shake the bottle anymore. This is exactly what I needed! I love this kitchen trick. It's amazing! Great! Now dig in! The next hack is for a jelly party. Just apply some oil on a poppet and add sweet sprinkles on top. Colorful gummies melt in no time. Now fill the poppet with jelly and put it in the fridge to rest for a while. Voila! Now you have a colorful and definitely tasty snack. It's so hot today. Cold soda can really come in handy. Hey, do you want to surprise your friends? Just make some soda lollipops. Sounds like fun, right? Then just follow my lead. Take a bowl and pour a bottle of your favorite soda in it. Now, add some bright green food coloring and mix everything really well. Here goes gelatine. 1 baggie is enough for this kind of bowl. Then mix it well once again. What a blast! It's time to make our lollipops. We'll take a silicone mold and add our mixture to the bottom side. Then we'll close it with the lid, like this. Add the jelly using a syringe through the openings on top. Let it chill. And we have just 1 step left. Put the candies on the skewers and the coolest Sprite lollipops are ready. Bon appetit! It looks like this foodie found a new cool recipe. Wow! Take a couple of cookies, put them into a cup, and add some milk. Then soften them until you get something like batter. Put the whole thing into the microwave and bake it until it's done. The batter inside the cup should become approximately twice as big. Like this. We'll just add some powdered sugar. And beautiful colorful sprinkles. Sweet, delicious, and so easy to make cupcake is ready. Try this recipe, and you will love it.
let's make it. It's a great idea. Get it? Idea. No? All right, let's get some things from the doodle drawers. A thin piece of white card and some strips of it too. Some coloured pens and a pencil. Some scissors and some sticky tape. And a ball of modelling clay. Whoa! Now, to make a sliding eyes picture like this one here, draw a simple face onto a piece of thin card. Make sure you draw the eyes nice and big. And when you're happy with your picture, colour it in with felt tip pens. Now we need to cut out the eye holes, and for this we'll need a ball of modelling clay. Put the modelling clay underneath one of the eyes, and then very carefully with a sharp pencil, push through to make a hole. Now do the same on the other eye. There we go. Now we need to cut these eye holes out, and for that we need our scissors. Now be careful because scissors are very sharp. Ooh, careful. Now take a strip of white card and slide it behind the eyes. There we go. But make sure there's a little piece of the strip sticking out at the end. Now, holding everything together, turn it over and get two smaller strips and stick those either side of the long strip like this to hold it in position. Make sure that your long strip can still move from side to side like this. And if you find this tricky, get an adult to help you. Now, let's turn the whole thing over. There we go. And draw some eyes onto our card. There! Now we can slide our eyes however we want. And why not try some other ideas with different pictures? You could draw a queen with sliding eyes. Yes, it's Minute Make time, and here's what we're going to make today. A jumbo lolly stick lizard. What a great way to use up all your old lolly sticks. Now, to make one of these, you will need a jumbo lolly stick. Also, 4 pipe cleaners, 2 white stickers, a black pen, and some sticky tape. Now, do you think it's possible to make this in just 1 minute? Well, let's find out. I'm going to have to be very quick, but don't worry. I'll remind you how to do it at the end. Let's make it in a minute. Start the clock. Right, let's get our lolly stick and then place 2 of these green pipe cleaners on there by bending them round into leg shapes. There's 1 and there's 2. Right, now we need some sticky tape to fix these in place. There we go. There's 1. Some more sticky tape, please. There's the other leg there. Brilliant. Okay, now let's give him a tongue. We can just loop that around like that. That's looking good. Let's get some more sticky tape. Stick that down there like that. Brilliant. Now he needs a tail, so let's just wind that around the fingers like that. And then we bring it out. It's all curly. Brilliant. Let's get some sticky tape and stick it down. And then if we flip him over, he's looking good. Right, just need to give him some eyes like that. There's 1 there and 1 on the other side. And then if I get a black pen, I can make dots on his eyes and dots on the rest of his body. There! I did it! If you've got more than a minute, you can make all sorts of lolly stick lizards. This one's been made with a different coloured jumbo lolly stick and has felt tip pen spots. Or how about adding some sparkly stars to your lizard with star-shaped sequins and glitter? You can make any type of lolly stick lizard you want. Why don't you give it a go? Here's a reminder of how to do it. Why don't you try making it in a minute?
We're here, Mr. Maker!
Oh, hello everyone.
Watch this!
This should be fun. I wonder what they're up to.
I am red. I am black. I'm light blue. I'm dark blue. I am grey. I'm yellow. I am orange.
Frame it! Frame it! Frame it! Now, take a look at this. What a great way of making a really clever picture. Now all that's left to do is frame it. I got something to show you. Watch this. These are my footprints, and they've got a mind of their own. Ooh, there you be! What is it? What? Huh? Oh no! Oh dear! There! Now, what does every good pirate need? Treasure! And my treasure's made out of chocolate! Now, where did I put it? Hang on. Hoo-ar!
Hoo-ar! Hoo-ar!
Hoo-ar! Ooh! Oh no! I put my chocolate treasure in my pocket and now it's melted! Oh! Ooh, this gives me an idea though. Let's make something! Let's make it! We'll need some things from the doodle drawers! Some paint, some paintbrushes, and a white pencil. A box with a flip-up lid. Some pasta, and some gloopy PVA glue. And some coloured paper and a black pen. Whoa! Now, to make your pirate-shaped treasure chest, like this one here, we need to get our box and cover it completely in light brown paint. And when it's dry, we can stick pasta hair all over the top of it, like this. So take your pasta, dip it into the gloopy glue, and then just stick it on the top. There we go. Fantastic! You can do any hairstyle you like. Now, to make your pirate ears, we need a piece of paper that's the same colour as your painted box. So let's have a look. Ah, yes. Now we need to fold it in half. There we go. And we're going to draw our ear shape starting at the open edge of the fold. There. Let's start off with a rectangle. There we go. And now let's draw the ear shape. Let's add some extra details. Now we can cut this out, but be careful because scissors are sharp. Oh, yeah. Unfold the paper to give you two ear shapes. Now, if we fold along this rectangle here, it will give us a flap, like that. Brilliant! Let's put on some gloopy glue and then stick it to the side of our box. Now you're ready to draw your pirate's face. This pirate is going to have an eye patch and some stubble. And how about a pirate's hat, like this? Get a piece of black paper and fold it in half. There we go. And then we're going to draw a hat shape with a white pencil, but making sure that the top of the hat touches the fold. Right, here we go. Perfect. Now we're going to cut this shape out very carefully, but make sure that you don't cut along the fold because we want the two pieces to stay together this time. Now we can add some details with white paint. You could paint a white eye, some teeth, and even a skull and crossbone on the hat. And when it's all dry, open up your hat and stick it on top of the pasta hair with gloopy glue. And there you have it, your very own pirate treasure chest. Ooh-ar! And you can try all sorts of designs. How about a long-haired pirate with woolly hair? Or even an old pirate with cotton wool hair and a cotton wool moustache.